partying is as important as studying. Hear me out.
Okay, not judging.
When I can imagine myself when I'm like 50 or 60 and I'm looking back at law school, parang I would never say that law school consumed my life. Na I never lived my youth because I went into law school.
Yeah.
I will always say na during my prime 20s, I was having fun even if I wasn't a therapist. So I will never regret saying like law school took away my youth from me. No, kasi I really, really had fun.
This is almost in the same vein as that, no? Back then, I was thinking, kailan ko pa gagawin to? Pag-judge na ako? Diba?
That's true.
Of course, nothing illegal, no? But, going to parties, lots and lots of alcohol at that time, no? Alam ko naman, judge ka na, nagaganyan ka pa.
Yeah,
diba?
yeah. May certain na parang may hidden CCTV lagi sa back of your head na parang, wait, hindi na pwede na.
Yeah. Oo. Especially now, going back to the topic of yung unwinding or work-life balance, as you get older, no? Andyan na yung mga papasok yung mga sakit, no? So you're gonna really watch out for your health. So if you don't take time at the least to go unwind, make time to exercise, no? Okay? Kung wala kang time to really work out, steps, walking is great. Okay? Yun lang.
Speaking of that, my scene na lang, I actually got I used to powerlift also.
Oh, I used to as well.
First year, second year. And then, I let it go mga third year. And then sabi ko, for bar prep, I'm gonna get a coach who will, Coach Enzo, hey Coach Enzo, na customize yung routine ko with my aral schedule. So para healthy body, healthy mind, healthy mind. Alam mo, ako ginawa ko rin ang paraan yan before kasi I come from like a fashion degree in college and then went to law school. Naging problema ko rin yun kasi sabi ko, I was entering law school 3 years, 4 years later. So sabi ko, how will I force them to be friends with me? So ako yung nag-biddle. Sabi ko, wala kayong choice ngayon kundi kausapin ko.
Ano naman?
Hindi niya ako kausapin. Wala kayong communication sa room. So ako yung nag-biddle hanggang 4th year. So wala silang choice kundi maging friends with me. So I was never alone. Number 2, mabait sila sa akin. And number 3, I'm on top of everything. Kasi ako yung unang communications. So lahat yun na so na-bypass ko yung
galing.
Tama yun.
Key takeaways for mga magbabar or mga enter ng law school, what are your key advice for them entering into this?
Entering law school muna, Hazel mentioned something about wala akong alam dito, they know something about entering into law school. I'll say na you don't need to know anything. When I entered law school, wala akong alam. No? Lalo na my course was, I shifted into philosophy. No? Wala talagang law doon. No? Siguro the only benefit I had from my course that would help in law was logical thinking lang. Dahil maraming logic sa philo eh. But, I survived in any case, no? But what I will say though, no? Nagulat ako sa mga kaklase ko before, tataka ko, ba't ang gagaling nila? They can answer kaagad kahit first meeting pa lang may sagot na sila. Kasi as it turns out, I only found this out when I started teaching accounting students. Kasi the way they take on Oblicon and all those subjects, na-take na pala kasi nila and alam na nila. So if you're in accounting or a legal management or a similar course, may advantage na kayo and I encourage you to take up law, no? Ayun. Don't be insecure na wala kayong alam sa law, no? You can enter even without knowing anything about the law. Doon na kayo mag-aaral.
Ikaw, tips for those who enter?
Tips ko for those, feeling ko just do it. Kasi maraming nagme-message sa akin na ate, ganyan, baka hindi ko kaya kasi hindi ako magaling sa English or parang baka sobrang natatakot ako sa public speaking, ganyan. Ako rin naman, hindi ako magaling sa English kahit na international studies yung course ko. Parang natutunan lang ako nung nakikita ko na yung mga classmates ko, paano sila sumagot, ganyan. Actually, kahit ngayon, takot pa rin ako magsalita, di ba? First time ko magpo-podcast ngayon. Pero it's also nice na to go outside of your comfort zone, na mas pilitin mo sarili. Kasi kung gusto mo talaga, lahat gagawin mo just to achieve it. Kahit na gaano kahirap yung path, kahit na gaano ka hindi sure sarili mo, I think it's important then na you should be confident na kahit anong mangyari, kakayanin ko. Kahit na mahirap, diba? Kasi wala namang law student na hindi nahirapan.
Yes.
Diba? Kahit na yung mga profs namin, they say na nag-struggle ako nung law school. Even yung mga siguro mga justices, diba? Nag-struggle din sila nung law school. Pero, tinamon na sila ngayon, diba? So, parang, we should always believe na lang na kaya mo. So, take the risk, diba? Malay mo.
Wala akong tip. Kung nahirapan kayo mag-aral, wala kayong alam, andyan naman ang lectures ko.
Yeah! Actually, share ko lang, guys. Yung oblicon ko, kaya ako nakapasa dahil nanood ako kay Katrina.
Thank you.
Pwede nyo ilagay yung screenshots ko here and here. Ako ng mga videos niya.
Thank you. Para sa inyo naman talaga yan. Walang yan.
Yeah, ako naman, for anyone who wants to enter law school, I think karma is key. Rack up your good karma, be nice to your classmates, be nice to your professors. No matter what your religious beliefs are, I think there's a secret hand somewhere. Na pag maganda yung karma mo, minsan sinaswerte ka lang talaga. Huwag kayong crab. Pag may materials
Sure.
Huwag kayo manlasan ng materials.
Yes.
And hard work never lies. If you work hard, it'll show. For the bar takers naman, para sa akin pala yan.
Yes.
Well, number one talaga, if you didn't do anything nung first year, may panahon ka pa mag-abol.
Yes, makakabawi ka.
Okay, kaya yan. I believe talaga na, like you said, hard work and good karma. Maganda. Actually, maganda nga yung tips mo yan. Totoo yan. Okay? Yun. Sige. Kaya nyo maghabol. Yun yung point ko.
Yeah, kaya maghabol. Ako kasi, for sure, marami pa akong na-identify ka na yung subjects na parang...
Pero okay lang kasi one read ka lang naman eh.
Oo. Baka finish mo na lang. Mali yung subject nila dito.
I do one read and then Conto.
Then what?
Conto.
What's
questions?
Okay.
Kasi more often than not, they like...
Speaking of, if I can just add, no, this is one big tip that changed my grades, no? Umangat bigla, no? If you still haven't encountered yung or tried the material ng bar questions, yan talaga. But ang caveat ko is, study muna the law and the commentary to know, para may laman ka. And then you study the Q&As kasi this is what Attorney Sebastian taught the class, no? It's not enough that you know the law. You have to know how to apply it kasi yun naman may trabaho mo eh.
Yes.
No, and how do you learn how to apply it? You read the Q&As because they give you a situation, how do you solve that problem? Andun yung answer if you don't know how. No, aralin mo how the answer is framed kasi ganun ka din sasagot sa mga pleading mo before the courts, etc. No?
Actually, can I add pala yung sa hot take or parang mga most asked question na kailangan ba raw memorize sa law school?
Ikaw, kailangan pa memorize.
Pasahan na.
There are certain provisions na kailangan memorize. I think for some subjects, enough yung alam mo how it works.
Yeah.
Pero I think crim, you have to memorize that.
Oh, yes. I agree.
Ang sa akin, never ako nag-memorize. But I can say that a corporation is an artificial being. Bakit? Even if hindi ako nagtuturo. Why? Kasi kakaulit-ulit mo yan, eventually maalala mo yan. Even if not word for word. Yes. No? That's why, as opposed to na one reading, I need 2 or 3. Kasi dun ko maalala talaga eh.
Yeah.
So, ako feeling ko, mostly kasi ako understand talaga eh. Kasi how would you be able to apply it sa mga hypothetical questions if you don't know, if memorize mo lang siya, like, hindi mo alam kung ano ibig sabihin nun. But yes, at the same time nga, yung mga elements sa CRIM, feeling ko very important siya. Kasi kapag wala isang element, hindi na siya pasok sa CRIM na yun.
Let me just add in practice na, no? Hindi naman papa-resit sa inyo yan eh. No? Kasi ultimately, ginuwento rin sa amin ito, nag-bar kami. Ultimately, titingnan nyo lang, ilalofel nyo pa rin lang naman yan. Even until now, that's what I do. I still go back to my books. I won't say that I memorized anything. Kahit nung law school, ang minemorize ko lang are the articles that the prof told us to memorize. And only for that subject. After, discard na. Ayun.
Wait, ikaklarin ko lang, baka isipin ng mga tao, micros genius ako. Hindi ako micros genius. I'm just saying na one read is enough for me to like understand and take a bite of it.
Okay.
Pero yeah, I think my bar tip for myself,
for yourself talaga.
Yes, I love it.
My bar tip for myself is wag akong tamad and stay committed to my schedule and do what I say I'm gonna do.
Yes.
Pag sinabi ko mag-aaral ako bukas, mag-aaral ako bukas.
Siguro to add to that lang, no, just to qualify, don't be too hard on yourself din, no? You gotta take breaks. You need to take a breather.
Yeah.
Okay. Yun lang.
Pero hindi na po ako party.
Promise ba yan?
Yeah, promise to.
Siguro kasi
75 days na lang naman.
2 months lang na. 75 days.
Okay.
By Tuesday. By the time this goes out, less.
Less.
But mga 75. Kasi I did a 100-day countdown. Medyo na-track pa nasa na. That was a lot of topics, and thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing us with your experiences. This has been Live, Laugh, Lol. Let's reintroduce yourself again.
Hi, I'm Attorney Javier, and you can check me out on YouTube, Attorney Javier's Law Lectures.
Yeah, baka magamit ko yan sa...
Oo, marami lalo na civil, no?
Oh,
More on commercial. Nako, sila yun talaga. Okay, so hi, I'm Hazel. Meron akong TikTok and Instagram. Check nyo na lang sa... Lagyan nyo na lang, please. Yung okay.
So this has been our episode. We talked bar matters. We talked about law school tips. We talked about do's and don'ts, hacks, law myths, and all in one sitting. I think kulang nga Parang hindi mga episode pa. But then, thank you again so much. It's been Live, Laugh, Law. I'm Dora.
I'm Hazel.
I'm Paulo. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.